Up Bar here at Mai Tai. We're here to make our cocktail series tutorial. And today's video we're going to make a refreshing drink. So the summer is coming, so this drink is it's better and good to make Mai Tai. So Mai Tai is composed of white rum, dark rum, orange curacao. We put some lemon juice, grenadine to put more color, and we're going to put a passion fruit syrup. Okay, so that's how. And also we put orange juice and pineapple juice as well. So that's the mixture of Mai Tai. That's how we made Mai Tai in our bar. There's other mixture of Mai Tai. There's a lot of variation of mixing Mai Tai. So it comes with different ingredients. So that's how we made Mai Tai here in bar. Mai Tai was invented by Big J. Bergeron in 1944. A restaurant in Traders Peak, Oakland, California. So Mai Tai is came from the word very good and excellent. So that's the word from Mai Tai. It's derived from the word very good, excellent. Let's go and start making our cocktail of the day, Mai Tai. So first of all, we're going to put our First, we're going to put our pineapple juice, like 60 ml. Pineapple juice. Let's put our orange juice, 60 ml as well. So there you have it. Sweet and sour, like 15 ml. Put our passion fruit. Drop like that, a little bit, or grenadine, just a 2 drop, and then didn't forget my pour. So just put the pour first. Forgot. Sorry about that. Okay, going to put. Okay, need to put 45 ml of our white rum, 15 ml of dark rum, okay, and another 15 ml of orange curacao. Okay, all our ingredients are ready inside. I'm going to mix it. Shake very well. Okay. Serve it. Serve it into our glass. There you are. Garnish with pineapple. Decoration. Guys, there you have it, the Mai Tai, our cocktail drinks of the day. Okay, that's our Mai Tai. Again, suggestions, just comment down below, and if you have any request cocktails or drinks, I will make it for you. Just comment down below. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye bye.